Oke guys, good morning. Kita lagi di Harvard University, ditemani oleh Von. Your name is Von, right?
Yes.
Von yang akan mendampingi kita selama di Harvard University ini. Kita lihat-lihat.
Not largest public, so there are some like different public universities all around the world that are like slightly bigger than this, but in terms of like privately owned by one institution, and sometimes the concentration. So say for example, like since history and literature, which is what I studied, and English and comparative literature all have like semester level. And all the words like chemistry.
Hey. You want a map?
Already.
So, which way were we going?
Hey guys. Hey bro. Mantap bro. Gimana bro?
Baik.
Baik.
Probably make somebody a lot of money. But yeah, they're making like a battery that's about 100 meters to a side. And this is called grid scale. And the idea, and you can't do this with like lithium ion batteries because there's not enough lithium on the planet or cobalt on the planet to accomplish something like this in every city in the world. So what they're doing is, and why it's under NDA, is they're trying to design new battery technology that would very slowly charge up and very slowly discharge. And this is to accommodate renewable energy, because how it works in Massachusetts right now is we don't get a lot of sunlight, so our sunlight renewable energy throughout the day is like down here, and we get a lot of wind energy, but at nighttime or something when the wind slows down. You actually get to pick which dorm you want to live in here. So right now, we have 10, and we're building 2 more, and they're all pretty expensive, but East Campus cost me a little under $10,000 per year to live in, which by like American dorm standards is pretty good, and of course MIT like paid for all of that, so I thought that was pretty nice. But that dorm right there used to house soldiers back in World War II, which is probably why it is so cheap and so old, and the materials that were used to build it are pretty weak, so the whole place is pretty shoddy. But it's cheap compared to the other dormitories now, and you don't really have any rules about how you can or can't modify your room. So people like to paint stuff, they like to hang stuff from their ceilings. I built a loft and I put hand-holding like mounts in my walls so you can climb the walls like Spider-Man or something, and a bunch of cool stuff. It's a very interesting dormitory.
Oh. Kameramen di kamera kanan. Dia lihat dulu dah.
Kakak boleh tolong fotoin nggak kak?
Ini pakai ini gue dulu.
Gue bisa nggak ya duduk di sana?
Edit, mari kita geng.
Masa ini gue jangan dong mak.
Bukan, ini beda.
Oke, thank God.
Ayo foto-foto dulu, Neng.
Saya kemarin nyampe nanya-nanya Jacob tahu apa? Jacob tahu mana sih acaranya bla 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 bla. Kok ini satu. Tapi katanya Jacob tuh suka lupa ingatan gitu jadi dia nggak dia
Tadi
belum
kamu
ada.
salah nanya sama Jacob.
Iya, gue mau ke properti. Dadah, gue mau ke properti. Gue mau ke human development. Halo gengs, welcome back to my channel. Jadi hari ini kita udah ada di ini di mana? Jadi sekarang aku sama Meisha, kita berdua kita mau ke yang ambil technology and social media.
Karena kita anak Gen Z dan
Di lantai berapa ini?
Lantai berapa?
room 309.
Di atas ya?
Di atas ya?
Iya.
Oke.
Berarti itu ke atas.
Yes.
Ke lantai berapa?
3.
Iya.
Oke. Bye bye.
Dadah.